Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you guys know, La Vibora is leaving the park with El Diablo, and here's just a little construction update. I will go up to the fence in a minute, and also I'll go look over at La Vibora, or El Diablo. But yeah, here's your little update. And as you can see, here's the pink marker on the floor, but here's a view inside the fence as best I can get. As you can see, they're already taking it down the queue line. And it's hard to see, but the sign is gone. And as you can see, there's white dashes along the ground. Here's another look at the missing sign. But yeah, from my understanding, this ride will be gone by December 2nd. And looking around a little more, here's another survey marker. Here's a look over by El Diablo. And there is the track.